Okay, in a medium bowl, you're going to combine all of the ingredients. So that's a cup of non-dairy mayonnaise. My go-to is veganaise. Yes, yes, in every last drop. And then a half a cup of non-dairy sour cream. I like tofutis. A quarter cup of non-dairy milk, soy, almond, cashew, a clove of minced garlic, a quarter cup of fresh parsley, a couple of green onions. You can use chives. It's up to you. Half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, a couple teaspoons of dill weed dried, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, quarter teaspoon of paprika, and a quarter teaspoon of white wine vinegar. And then you're just going to mix that all together. And then you want to chill it for a couple of hours before you serve it. Ideally. And there you have it, your homemade vegan ranch dressing. Delicious.